Boom shakalaka. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara DeCass. Today's video is going to be full of pumpamentals. I do not have much more to show you and share with you on the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price is literally just sitting flat as AF right now. So it is what it is, and that's why I've been focusing on getting out lots of altcoin videos out to you, even though we are seeing the altcoins currently bleed themselves like crazy right now. But that's okay, because that is a perfect accumulation point that you want to be buying lots more of your favorite altcoins using my Bybit and Bitflex links down below. I'll show you my trades that I have open as well. I do have 2 trades that are opened. I didn't get to do a video for you guys yesterday, and that's just also because I made 3 videos for you guys pretty much in the same time frame here. So I hope you guys enjoyed those videos. If you haven't watched them, go check them out. I'll leave them up in the cards above, and we will jump straight to the content I have for you guys today. It's going to be quite a quick video because there is still not much happening out there. I'm not going to show you too much news. I'm just going to show you a few things regarding the ETFs. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end. It's going to be a very quick one. Thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss channel. Once again, I truly appreciate all of you benevolent and blessed, beautiful souls. So as you guys saw, the bubbles are bleeding. Most of crypto is busy bleeding right now. The only one that's really up is Sui. I don't know what that one is, but that one's Sui. And then, you have a little bit of Lido and Pulse, kind of very small things. Bitcoin is slightly up at the moment. So it is what it is. But the cryptocurrency altcoin market cap, the cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at about 1.7177. And look at all the sevens that we're experiencing here, guys. I really like that, I must say. Those are called lucky numbers. Now, not even a couple days, just last week, we were sitting at nearly 1.9 trillion. So we're almost down like 200 billion in the market, I must say, guys. And as you can see, 40 billion of that came out of Bitcoin. Maybe about 30 billion came out of Ethereum. And then the rest started to come out of Tether, etc. Now, guys, Tether's market cap is $93 billion. Okay, Tether's market cap is currently growing like an absolute beast. It just printed another $2 billion just yesterday or the day before. BNB, you can see BNB's down again. Solana's down. Solana's being ripped to shreds right now, but that's because it's overheated. We did speak about these a few times, so make sure to stay tuned, because there is going to be crazy videos I'm going to be doing with you guys, because these altcoins, while they currently are bleeding, we are going to see them fall back onto good support zones where you will have probably one of the last opportunities to buy them at these prices. So let's go delve right into the fear and greed index, because the fear and greed index is currently sitting at 70 after yesterday's 72. So guys, it's hopping around between 68 and 72. It's the same thing like when we were down here in the fear side of things. You know what? Maybe we do actually need a little bit of a flush out there in the market, and we're going to have a little bit of a look at the pricing shortly. But here's the update on the Bitcoin ETF from Bitcoin Archive. Shout out to Bitcoin Archive. It's an update. All the Bitcoin ETF applicants are filing updated 19B for amendments now after the SEC consultations. The SEC has now said it has no additional feedback. The window for approval remains between the 8th to the 10th of January, as per Bloomberg's JCEF. Okay. So guys, we've been speaking about it, and this is crazy. Lady of Crypto says here, breaking just in, all ETFs are happening tomorrow. I said tomorrow for the last 2 weeks, but this time it's for realsies. I swear I have a source. It's the best source. It's saucier than the other source, and those times it's actually actual time. It's 100%, 1,000% for real. Look, I still say as well, between the 8th and the 10th of January, I think we're still a few days away from it. Guys, if the ETF launched today, I think we'll see Bitcoin absolutely pump itself up to this 55K level. And guys, I'm telling you, I can just see it. At that point, we are going to have a rejection, because Bitcoin is at resistance on this level at 55K. So for me, it's going to be a good place if you have some trades open to take some profits. Now, if we break through this horizontal green resistance, that would be a good place to get into a trade to take a short little kind of 18%, maybe 25% trade on Bitcoin. Okay, 10x leverage, 170 to 240%. 20x leverage will give you like 340 to 500%. So, guys, it's pretty juicy out there right now. I still think that there is a lot. I still am going to leave my, even though we had this breakout, we had an immediate buy candle 2 days ago, and then we had a strong buyback up here on yesterday's candle, although it closed in the red and some of it closed in the green. And usually when we see candles like this, honestly, guys, shooting stars, we really perhaps need to be very focused, because if that's underneath this resistance level that I've also put up here, that means we could actually come back down one more time, retest these kind of 42,500 levels, maybe mess around here, guys. We're in a capitulation, a consolidation area here right now. And this right shoulder is getting quite big. It's like, it's like getting massive, isn't it? So it's, very interesting to see that out there right now. Now, I want to go and share with you guys, that this is very important. There's not much stuff happening out there. We're all just anticipating and waiting now for the for the Bitcoin ETF to be approved. But here, according to this, if BlackRock gets about 2 billion for its Bitcoin ETF at launch, i.e., the 8th to the 10th, it would blow away. Okay, all first day or first week records for an ETF, Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas. So guys, this is like stuff that is going to happen. It's just unbelievable that we are not focused on this right now. Guys, if you are worried about a little, like push out, and unfortunately, I jumped out of my trades. I did, because that was a heavy sell volume candle there. And even though we bought back up here, I was busy with family things. So, I took profits. It's okay to take profits. And if you want to trade with me, hit my Bybit and Bitflex links down, pinned below in the bottom of this video. And just for you guys, I'm actually going to go and share with you exactly where you can get this. So as you guys can see, here are my links that you guys can go ahead and click. If you use my Bitflex link, which is this link over here, you guys can get yourself a $100 bonus. By depositing $100 and filling out your KYC, you can get $10 bonus. I haven't completed my KYC, so I haven't got my $10 bonus, but I have deposited my money into into Bitflex, excuse me. So we'll go check that out. And then here is my Bybit link, which is this here. And that one, you can get a juicy up to $30,000 deposit bonus. Do not miss out on these links, guys. And then on top of it, I have a whole bunch of cool social media platforms that I'd like you guys to go and follow me on. If you can, please like the video, of course. And then you're welcome to join my Telegram community over here. My Discord community, guys, I haven't unfortunately posted much in there. I need to have a conversation with one of my family members to see if they can help me out with that one. My crypto merchandise is ready, so use that link, guys. My stuff is amazing. I will show you on one of my videos one of these days. And then, of course, this is all free crypto mining, guys. Go and get these apps here. I am making crazy money. My Pi network is now worth $60,000, guys. Okay, just as one example, and that's for free. Okay, so don't miss out on those opportunities. Go check my links down below. All right, guys, so back to the drawing board here. You can see this is from Stock Money Lizards. You guys know that I love Stock Money Lizards, so shout out to Stock Money Lizards. Have you ever wondered why and how exactly Bitcoin is achieving to run in this 4-year cycle structure, and why you always think this time will be different, but in the end, it's not? Without taking too much beforehand, take a look at the chart and see how the Fibonacci time zones divide and predict the future price movements. Number one, okay, so this is number one. Okay, so first of all, 0 is the peak, okay? This is 2014 to 18, 2017 to 21, and 21 to 25. Okay, So right now, we're at 0. So 0 is the peak, the previous peak, okay? Then you can see here 8 is the new all-time high. So 1 is the correction and bear market rally, okay? So 1 is the correction and bear market rally, okay? Then 3 is the bear market, so sorry, 2 is the correction and bear market rally. Okay, there. And then 3 is the bear market bottom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Then 4 is, where's number 4? We don't have our 4 here. Oh, where is 4? I don't see 4. Okay. So 4 is bear market bottom. Okay, sorry. That's the bottom. And then number 5 is uptrend and consolidation. Okay, uptrend and consolidation, which is currently where we're sitting at, just by the way. Okay, then we have the next, which is the 8, which is the all-time high. This one was 2,200%. This one was 450%. This one, we have no idea yet, but I'm telling you, it's probably going to be somewhere between these two percentages. So let's call it 1,000% possibly to come for Bitcoin, guys. That's still another 10x on Bitcoin. That would give us, beyond my price prediction of $300,000, $285 to $300,000, that would give us like a $400,000, $500,000 and be more in line with Arthur Hayes' predictions. So what do you guys think about that down below in the comments? Let me know, please. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. So this is a good month for Bitcoin, guys. You can see here what it's doing. Distribution, bullish reversal, bearish reversal, bullish reversal, bearish reversal, accumulation, accumulation, distribution, accumulation, distribution, accumulation, distribution. Accumulation, guys, is busy happening. And guess where we're at? We're at the bottom of this band, and we're at this, we're kind of making our way up here. So, guys, we've got a long way ahead of us. And before I head on to that little article, the Dixie yesterday kind of closed in higher volume, with the MACD pulling up, but the RSI is stochastic RSI is a little bit overheated here now. It doesn't mean it can't rally, but if it does break out of this trend line here, guys, that's going to be a little bit, I'd have to readjust this trend line actually. So let me delete this little piece here because I just drew that in. So there's our trend line, okay? So if we don't break up above that trend line, or if we do break up above that trend line, then we're probably going to come back up to this zone. But if we don't, this is the reversal level for the dollar, which I think will happen, guys. Now, bearing in mind that our total crypto market cap has had a very strong pullback, which I did say to you, it will need to pull back down to this level. And guess what I said to you? I did say to you that the stochastic RSI would reset. The MACD is pulling down in nice volume. So I have no doubt that the likelihood is that we probably capitulate on this kind of area, maybe somewhere within this area. I don't believe that we will break this candle here or this kind of zone. I don't think that we're going to go below that zone. So look at my entry level there for the potential of crypto altcoin trades, right? So we are on the way, and the next move is about to come. And guys, you don't want to be missing out because there's going to be a lot of money to be made. So buy your altcoins when they are cheap as chips right now and bleeding. Okay, use my links down below because you do not want to miss out on one opportunity like this. And this is why I want to show you this chart from Stock Money Lizards, because the altcoins are following a typical pattern where one, all-time high and bear market is this area. So all-time high, you can see it's the same zone. Then 2 is accumulation phase concluded by a Bitcoin halving. Okay, look at the pump that we made in 2017. That's why so many people made so much money in 2017. Then 3, you have a crazy bull market. Guess where we're at? And look at the pump we're starting to get here, guys. For me, this is going to look like this. I think we're going to look a lot more like that. Okay, coming out of this bull cycle. So we are leaving section 2. And this only happens every 4 years. So guys, altcoins, Bitcoin are about to pump, and you should not be missing out on the opportunity. So make sure to hit my Bybit and Bitflex links down below. Let's go trade together because we are about to make absolute killer gains coming soon. So I just want to show you the very, very quick the same thing here. These last two candles here. I want to show you this one very quickly. At the moment, actually, sorry, it was this one, and I want to show you that on the weekly time frame, currently we are actually making a very juicy candle here on the Dixie, and we are looking for a strong push to the upside here. So the volume is increasing, the buy pressure is increasing again, so we're looking juicy and happy. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this, because as you guys can see, we are on track to make a huge success out of all of our trading, guys. So do not miss out on the opportunity here to come and trade with me using my links. Even though Bitcoin is still falling down here at the moment, guys, I would say to you, and even this kind of this line here, if we pull this down and we pull this down, that will end up looking like a falling wedge pattern, which is generally very bullish. Okay, so with that being said, I want to show you my other trades. Oh, my Miria is not doing so well here right now. I'm down a little bit, $4 there. But I'm going to just keep adding to that position. I think Miria is going to start creeping up very soon as well. And that's a good opportunity to get into a trade there. So I'm a little bit down, but so I'll just add more to the position today. But guys, my SUI trade is up 50%. And my Bitcoin trade is up now only 16%. It was up like 70% yesterday. So you can see now what I'll do is, as we fall, if we do fall a little bit lower, no problem. I'll just add to the position a little bit, and then we'll wait for it to do retrace. Because as I said to you guys, we're just kind of trading within this area here. So that's my Bybit account, and then my Bitflex account. Guys, make sure to go and sign up with my Bitflex account as well. You guys can see. Oh, I did get into a Bitcoin trade yesterday. I'm down a little bit by 12%. I didn't put much into the trade, but I am trading it now. And as you guys can see, here you go. It doesn't actually tell us where we buy or not. So my entry price was at 44,000. We're at about 43,475. So if this does end up falling, it's okay. I'll just buy a little bit more down here at this 42,000 level. Okay. If we break 42,000, then we're coming down probably here to the 40K level. If we break 40K, the likelihood is we're coming to 38K. Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for being here with me. At least I'm showing you. Even if I'm in losses, it doesn't matter if I'm in a loss, that's 10%. It doesn't matter if I'm in a loss. What I'm showing you is how to DCA into your derivatives positions also, because you can do that, and that will make you big returns as well. And that's what I've been doing, and that's how I've been building the craziness of my account. And that's why you can see here I'm using $8.6 and the trade value is $87. So very juicy. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being here with me today. I truly appreciate every single last one of you blessed beautiful beings, and thank you for being here. We'll see you on the next ones. Much love and light.